Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and on this video I will be installing the DIY hair extension that I did in my previous video, and I am so excited. I hope you enjoy it. So I am just going to do a simple hair gel style in order for me to install the hair extension, and this is the style I chose. I just did 4 twists and then crisscrossed those, and that was it. And then I just went ahead and applied gel all over my hair, and I went in and did my edges, and I loved the outcome. So the main purpose of this video is just to show you guys how my extension turned out when it is actually worn. And I am so proud of myself. It really turned out great, and I really loved the look. So if you're new here, you probably don't know this. I cut my hair a year ago, and I have been trying to grow it here with you guys, and it is doing great. And I also have to admit, my channel is also growing, and I appreciate you all for that. So this is just a simple hair gel style because I did not want to do a lot, because as you know, if you're not new here, I have been doing hair gel styles for the past 3 weeks, and I just wanted something simple to get the style and show you guys how the extension looked, and I hope you love it and enjoy it. So to all the new people, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Maria, and my channel is all about natural hair journey. Like I said, I cut my hair, and this is 1 year's growth. Let me tell you guys, I am so impressed and amazed, and filming this makes me feel so nice. Filming my growth with you guys actually makes me feel so nice, and I really love that there is growth and my channel is also growing. So thank you for all your support, and thank you just for being here and for watching this video. So this is the extension I made on my previous video. If you have not watched that video, don't be shy, just go back to my channel and watch the last episode I did before I did this. And as you can see, it turned out so great. I look so nice, and I actually love this hair extension so much, and especially because it is a human hair extension. It's 100% Brazilian hair. I can curl it, I can flat iron it, I can straighten it, I can just braid it however I want. But I just wanted to show you guys how it turned out, and I really think it turned out great. So tell me in the comments what you think, but I love it. So this is how it looks when you actually get to do a hairstyle on it, and it turned out so great. So don't be shy and join the family, and thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for my next one. Bye. I really appreciate you all. Bye, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and join the family. Thank you for your time. See you on my next one.